Guys, from this side, and I get many DMs regarding how I make my thumbnails. It's true, and at earlier times, I get many of you people were used to with Canva and thumbnail creation, post editing, and many more. But today, I brought you free AI tools with which creating thumbnails is just a piece of cake now. First of all, I'm showing you how you can do it with Nano Banana. First of all, go to Google and then open camera, and then you just seeing this click create button, this banana button, and just click on it and just click on image, select an image, and just write a prompt for the thumbnail you wanna make. For example, here I wrote like make a clickbait thumbnail for like me for the YouTube and like so on. You just need to type your whole prompt there. Then right after the prompting you just need to click answer, and then it will start making your image. So you can see just creating and like thinking and working on this and putting it all together. So all you need to do is right now is just wait. So we are just waiting, and you can see like here is creating our image, and you can see our image is generated. That's our image it created, but I still don't like how it created, so I'll let you take you to the another model. So this is Reward, one of my favorite AI model recently. So you just need to upload an image of yourself. I've uploaded already, and then I'm giving an example of like a reference screenshot you can upload. For example, thumbnail. For example, here I have uploaded Zruvrati's thumbnail. The video, the screenshots here you can see it's uploading, and afterwards once it's upload you can see it's just got upload, and then I'll just wrote my prompt here. Like see, for any assistance, you can take a screenshot of my prompt so that you can get started easy earlier. You can see it's just creating right away. So you can see how mind-blowing thumbnails it made, like automatically added reactions, and it didn't spoil my face even. You can see the four outputs and they are totally free. You can download it without watermark, and if you don't like it you can also give a further prompt without uploading an image again. So I just wrote very good. You can I just needed her to be happy normally without any just reaction. So you can see again it generated four images. I personally like this purple bluish one image. So you can hit download.